Amazon Relay app not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First and foremost, make sure that your Amazon Relay application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and search for Amazon Relay. If you see update sign beside the application name, then you have to tap on update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings. Scroll below until you find Apps. Tap onto Apps and search for Amazon Relay. For instance, if this is my Amazon Relay app, tap onto Storage, then tap on Clear Data, then tap on Delete. Before you clear application's data, make sure that you remember your credentials. Now come back onto App Info page and tap on Force Stop, then tap on OK. Once you do all that, see if this fixes your Amazon Relay app not working problem. If you are still facing that issue, then try uninstalling that application, then reinstall it again, and that will definitely fix your app not working problem in your device. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.